They called it a case of suicide even before the investigation began.
एक्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत जो है अपेरेंटली अभी उन्होंने सुसाइड कमिट किया है, ये जानकारी मिली है।
They tried closing the case when we started showing you evidence. They ran from our cameras when we raised questions about the link to Disha case.
सर, बिहार पुलिस का ये आरोप है कि आप लोगों के पास जो दिशा सालियान का जो फाइल्स थे वो
बंद करो।
सर सिर्फ जो फाइल्स थे जो सर बिहार पुलिस का कहना है कि आप लोगों
इंक्वायरी चल रही है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है।
सर जो फाइल्स को मतलब जो गलती से डिलीट कर दी गई कि ये बात सच है?
आपको पता होगा क्या है।
सर इस केस में एफआईआर तो दर्ज किया गया, पर क्या इस पर किसी का स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड?
तुम ऐसा
सर स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया गया कोई?
ये बंद करो ना, तुम बंद करो ना। चलो
सर स्टेटमेंट कोई रिकॉर्ड किया?
इंक्वायरी चालू है, समझे क्या नहीं?
सर इसकी डिटेल कहाँ तक इसकी इंक्वायरी, किसकी स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड की गई सर?
We told you some of them even were in touch with the top cop during the course of the investigation. Tonight, on the eve of the Supreme Court verdict, the focus is on all that happened on the day Sushant died.
और मौत के बाद जिस तरह से पुलिस ने वहाँ पे लापरवाही बरती है, लोग का आना जाना कोई रोक टोक नहीं था, कोई बिल्डिंग को सील नहीं किया गया, तो कुछ भी नहीं किया मुंबई पुलिस ने।
If it is CBI for SSR, will all those who tried to cover up be made accountable? Let's debate.
I open with a debate between Atul Bhatkalkar of the BJP and Ketan Vaidya, who leans towards the Shiv Sena. Ketan, the minimum, my view is that tomorrow, if the Mumbai police, because of its cover-up, is asked to leave the SSR investigation, which we hope and pray happens, then out of a sense of shame, out of a sense of accountability, and a sense of responsibility, the Mumbai Police Commissioner should 100% quit before being sacked. If he doesn't quit, he should be sacked.
Yes.
Do you agree with me, Mr. Saraf? The Mumbai Police Commissioner should quit before being sacked. If he is not sacked, and he does not quit,
then he should step down.
now, but if he doesn't step down, because he may get the support of the Maharashtra government.
Action needs to be started against.
Action needs to be taken against him.
No, action needs to be started against him. He is the main culprit.
Truly.
Mr. Goswami, he is the main culprit. Action should be started against him.
The only
he is
thing
the
that I
responsible
lean
person.
towards is cooperative federalism, and the court will decide whether cooperative federalism will triumph or the cacophony of echo chambers will triumph. And even if the court
What sort of cooperative federalism you are talking?
To CBI,
What sort of the person? Two persons have been killed. Two persons have been murdered.
Mindset, the state will accept it.
Now, Ketan, listen. The question is, the court does not respond to cacophony. The court responds to facts. Even if you are trying to make some allusions to me or to the channel that you are on live right now, I accept it. I am cacophonous. Okay, that's your worst argument against me, then I'm very cacophonous. However, stay to the facts.
No.
One minute. Let me draw you back to the debate. Ketan, don't retreat. Ketan, there's no pulling back now. Come back to the debate. On the debate, my question is, forget how bad I am, or this channel is, how terrible we are. We are judge, jury, executioner, media trial, cacophonous. What else will you say? Accept it all. But if after all of this, tomorrow, Aniket, or tomorrow, Atul Bhatkalkar, the Supreme Court of India, in the Court of Justice, Rishikesh Roy says that the case should go to CBI, which means Mumbai police has to seize the investigation and hand over every single material to CBI, step back, which means it is a slap in the face of the Mumbai Police Commissioner, who should therefore either voluntarily, if the verdict comes at 11, he should quit by 12 o'clock tomorrow. If he does not quit by 1 o'clock, he should be sacked. It can't become an ego issue.
Exactly. And along with him, the concerned DCP should be sacked.
Concerned DCP also.
Effect.
Yes, this is the
Concerned
responsibility
DCP
of the
should be
state
sacked with
government.
immediate effect.
Maharashtra government
Because
should
this
sack
is
him,
nothing
otherwise he should
but the
step down.
biggest cover-up by Mumbai police. ED has written letter to the Mumbai police 11 days before, demanding the handset of Sushant Singh Rajput. After 11 days, only Mumbai police has done is they have answered their letter. Nothing else. What is the logic? What is the reason?
The way Mr.
Why
Goswami,
Mumbai police are covering
Mr.
up?
Goswami, the way Mumbai police has worked, it
Those
looks as it was a planned murder.
political bosses.
Let me admit this thing. It looks it was a planned murder, and the murder has been done by so-called people, those who
Not
are
only
totally
that,
supported
you are
by
walking-
Mumbai police.
Mumbai police has worked.
Because
their
doing the
side,
mockery of
the Supreme
justice.
Court- The court will be the best
Today, one
judge
member
of
of
their
Parliament
work,
of
their
Everything looked
accountability.
planned.
and
Everything looked planned.
Studios to TV studios like
It's
the
not,
PR DGP,
one
they
minute,
have-
one
they
minute.
have-
It's
they
not
have
about,
come
you know,
in front
Ketan, you
of
are giving the
It
same
is not
argument
like
tomorrow.
TV studios.
Tomorrow,
Two
if
people
Justice
have been
Rishikesh
murdered,
Roy.
Mr. Ketan.
I am only asking whether the Mumbai Police Commissioner should resign on moral grounds. Let me put that question to you, viewers. I'll take out a few of your responses. Viewers, CBI for SSR, give me some responses. Should the Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, who is responsible for this botch-up and cover-up, resign on moral grounds, or should he be sacked? Or you know, if there is a verdict for a CBI investigation, what is the responsibility of the Mumbai Police Commissioner and the Maharashtra Home Minister, who have tried everything possible to misdirect this investigation? Viewers, I'm delighted to inform you that as of this minute, I was just told by our digital team that 1 million people have signed our petition.
Great.
1 million people have signed our petition, which includes this point about action against those culpable. 1 million people have signed the petition. Now, you can be shameless and sit in your chair, and the Mumbai Police Commissioner has absolute freedom to do that. But should he? Is my question. Vikas is on the debate. Vikas, if the court, top court says tomorrow, yes, Vikas.
I have a point to make here.
I'm the 1 million first person to support
And
justice
just-
for SSR.
yeah.
No, either heads roll or people move on their own. After India's biggest public campaign, you can't have
Arnab, is it
zero
going to be
responsibility.
the first time? What you want to say, Arnab?
subject to
Arnab, do you want to say that this is going to be the first instance in India's history, independent history, that a matter being taken over from a state police and handed over to CBI?
No,
Is it going to be
what
the
I'm
first
saying
time?
is that
what I'm telling.
Yes, Atul.
See, it is totally wrong you are saying.
Arnab,
and
can I make a
Supreme
point
Court has
on-
every right to hand over this case to CBI.
Mr. Ketan,
Yes.
Are you
Mr.
challenging
Ketan, it
Supreme
is
Court?
shamelessly you
And Arnab, I have one more
Am I
point.
saying that?
Even if Supreme
Forget
Court
about
Properly,
the
hear properly before commenting.
Despite tomorrow's Supreme Court decision, because Mumbai police has not handed over handset of Sushant Singh Rajput
for
to the
Sushant
ED.
Singh Rajput. Both of us
After
believe
11
in
days.
justice for Sushant
On
Singh
this
Rajput.
count
And I'm
only,
sure out of the 1
Mumbai
million,
police,
there will be
Mumbai
5
CP
lakh
should be
people
sacked.
who may be supporting
And
the
concerned
police, and
DCP
yet
should
they
be
believe in
sacked.
justice for Sushant Singh Rajput.
And what is the statement today Riya Chakravarti made in public?
Nobody.
Bihar police,
has done
after
nothing.
registering the FIR, immediately started investigation. Can
It
this
is,
be
it is
allegation?
after 45 days Bihar police has registered an FIR. You people are
No, but
shamelessly
she
supporting
said-
till date
she
FIR has
said
not been registered.
that after
Now you
registering-
people,
No, you
realize
realize the gravity of the matter.
people have been
Let me put it this way.
The investigation.
Let me put it this way. Aniket is on the debate. Aniket.
Yes.
If tomorrow it's CBI for SSR, the fundamental thing is basically the court then disagrees with the court disagrees with the contention of the Mumbai police that it was carrying out a professional investigation, which means the court therefore finds the existing investigation unprofessional. Now that kind of an aspersion coming from the Supreme Court should be enough, even the suggestion of it, to make heads roll. What do you think?
That's completely right, Arnab. From day one, this inquiry has been suspect. The manner in which the scene of offense was allowed to be tampered with, the manner in which people were visiting that scene of offense and carrying articles from that scene of offense is itself quite glaring and unheard of. Apart from that, Arnab, in this case, Riya Chakravarti, who is an accused, is seeking transfer of investigation. So she is wanting to decide who should investigate her. And in this case, if the CBI comes in, CBI will have to look into all these angles right from day one. How this probe was all botched up, who all was involved in botching up this investigation. Even in Sheena Bora case, when CBI stepped in, CBI had summoned the then police officers who were investigating that case, seeking an explanation from them. This is a very serious matter. Even in this case, we have seen that prospective witnesses who were interrogated,
Ketan,
were asked questions by your media team, were being threatened. And despite that, no protection was given to them, no efforts were made to protect all these kind of persons. Therefore, the faith on the investigating agency in Mumbai is extremely low. And this is an aspect that the court will take into consideration in order to restore the faith of people.
I will wait. I'm not saying. I am only saying, Sumit, listen. Sumit,
Supreme Court can still transfer to CBI even if it does not deprecate the Mumbai police.
Sumit, listen. Deprecation.
No. By sending it to CBI itself. By sending it to CBI itself is negating the stand of state of Maharashtra. Because the state of Maharashtra is being saying that Maharashtra alone, Mumbai police alone
the Mumbai probe. So we need to see whether what is the reason of
Aniket, is it the transfer by the Supreme Court to CBI? It is an indictment of the officers who were investigating this offense in Mumbai. Even if it is transferred suo moto by the Supreme Court to CBI, it's a big indictment to those who were helming this investigation at Mumbai.
So I don't follow you. You're trying to say the Supreme Court should give instructions that the Mumbai Police Commissioner should be sacked. They won't. But if the case, I am only talking in the event. I am only talking in the event. I am only talking in the event that the case goes to CBI tomorrow. Because we know that the Mumbai police chief has been doing ridiculous stuff, like talking about Sushant's Google searches to push a suicide narrative. There are calls between the DCP and Riya Chakrabarti, for God's sake. After all of this tomorrow, if the Mumbai police chief, who did not even look at a financial angle, who did not question Sandeep Singh properly, who was only saying whatever the Home Minister was making him say, because Anil Deshmukh said Atmahatya. If after all of this, I'm asking the people of this country watching the program tonight, if after all of this, there is no head which rolls, it's a crying shame. Heads have to roll, Vikas.
Absolutely.
Precedent has to be set.
Heads should roll provided
CBI.
Categorically
provided CBI for us. I agree.
Has been negligent.
Provided CBI for us. By moving it, they have already said that. Aniket explained to him. If they move it to the CBI, it is almost like saying the same thing.
In any case, CBI in any case is most likely to come tomorrow.
No.
CBI probe is
if it comes, then the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra Home Minister both have to be held responsible.
No, my point is provided Supreme Court finds Mumbai negligent in its duty, provided
they would have found if they give it to the CBI, they have found. If they have given it to CBI, they have given it under extraordinary circumstances. They've been compelled to give it to the CBI.
Would specify in its order.
Aniket is on the view. You're seeing it. You're pretending to be blind.
Handing it over to the CBI itself means that the stand of the state government is decimated in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court then is of the opinion that this investigation cannot be trusted with the Mumbai police. The reason being that there has been a lot of watch-up and therefore
Aniket.
To do the investigation properly. Go on,
Aniket.
There are lawyers on this team. There are lawyers on this debate, and let me tell them, the moment the Supreme Court transfers it to CBI, the stand of the state government is decimated in the Supreme Court, because what the Supreme Court will consider is the botched up investigation by the Mumbai police, and perhaps that is the reason why the investigation is being transferred to CBI. Supreme Court is not going to say that this officer should be suspended or that officer should be suspended, but the signal will be loud and clear to the country that the investigation cannot be trusted with the Mumbai police, and therefore it is being handed over to CBI. Please understand, the Maharashtra government is claiming that they have the rights to investigate this offence. But the moment it is sent to CBI, Maharashtra government loses that right. And the reason for that is botched up investigation by the Mumbai police.
Regardless of that, see, what Abhishek Manu Singhvi has said is it should be rarest of rare case. Okay, so tomorrow, if you guys are successful in proving that this is rarest of rare case, then the investigation is going to go to CBI.
It need not be rarest of rare case. It need not be rarest of rare case. The fact that the investigation has been malafide, the fact that the investigation is botched up from day one, the fact that the investigation is malicious from its inception itself is a ground to transfer it to an independent investigating agency. This itself makes it the rarest of rare case because this investigation has been inspired.
So if these accusations and these allegations match up with the evidence that the Maharashtra government has submitted in the Supreme Court, only then the Supreme Court will hold a state responsible for a botched up investigation.
That is the reason
Please understand,
give this
Supreme Court is not only concerned with the territorial
testimonial of the Mumbai police hasn't done enough. But what if the other thing happens? What if the court reinstates the faith in the Mumbai police in cooperative federalism?
It's not about reinstating the faith. If the court passes an order saying that only Mumbai police can investigate, perhaps it would be on the grounds of territorial jurisdiction. But that does not mean that the Supreme Court is endorsing the manner in which this investigation is being carried out by Mumbai police, because Mumbai police has not even commenced the investigation.
Okay, let me put it to you this way. First of all,
in a timely manner will increase.
No. First of all, one question here. Ketan, 1 minute. Ketan, we have 3 minutes left. We have 3 minutes left. Are you saying, Ketan, that after 2 months of cover-up, 2 months of public agitation, public movement, incredible amount of investigative journalism, 1 million denials by Mumbai police, right? And visible botch-ups of a kind that this country has never seen before. Intervention of a state government, matter going to the country's highest court, written testimonies being provided, detailed deliberations before Supreme Court Justice Hrishikesh Roy. And even if tomorrow the Supreme Court says that the Mumbai police does not look into this, the CBI looks into this, obviously because the implicit suggestion there is, whether verbalized or not, that there is professional malafide by the Mumbai police, in the absence of which this case would never have been transferred. After all of this happens, what you are saying is, nobody will be punished. 1 minute, I asked Ketan, why was it changed? I asked Ketan, the question was, Gagan, the question was, thank you, that's where I lose. The question, what you're saying is, nobody will be punished. Viewers, is that acceptable to you? Is that acceptable to you? Will the people of Mumbai trust a commissioner who is responsible for this? Will the people of India trust a police commissioner who has done this? Or a home minister who together with the police commissioner has done this?
While I'm all for
unbelievable
for state police investigating it, I feel that the Mumbai police should have communicated better. They should have communicated to the people and told them where they have reached in terms of the investigation. So that complete opacity in communication has cost them dear. And tomorrow, if the court fixes responsibility at the Mumbai police, then I will agree that the accountability will need to be fixed. The government will have to do a rethink of how the investigation was carried out.
There cannot be dusting of things under the carpet. And if it is being done, then the CBI would be in its rights to seek an explanation from all those who are at the helm of those who are doing this inquiry. For more than 45 days,
well, the gentleman who's speaking, is he in the possession of the submission that the Mumbai police has done in the Supreme Court?
Arey Baba, I have read. Sorry, what's your question?
No, I'm saying.
What's your question? Can you repeat?
Are you aware about what submission or what status report? I am saying. Are you aware about what status report
Yes, I have read the affidavits. I have read the affidavits of state of Maharashtra as well as Riya Chakravarti, and they are in tandem. Let me tell you, they are parawise, stand on the same footing. She claims that she must be investigated by Mumbai police, despite she being an accused. Mumbai police cites her and says yes. She is saying that she should be claimed.
Yes,
She is claiming to be investigated by us.
See,
We will investigate her.
because she's investigated.
So Mumbai police
she will feel,
wants to investigate somebody
Riya,
who
because
says
she's
that she should be
investigated,
investigated by Mumbai
her-
police. Yes, complete. Please complete.
So Riya's inspiration to do it may be different, and the state's inspiration to do it may be different. You are finding parallels.
Not
That is
we, the whole
See,
country
you-
has found
you-
100% match.
there is
Should
There is
investigate
something
the
in
case
English
on.
called as read between the lines. So perhaps if you know that, you would understand if you read these two affidavits that there is much that is met than what is actually seen on papers. And there is also something called as res ipsa loquitur in Latin language,
And
which
all
lawyers
lines
normally
drawn are
use,
not parallel.
which means that things speaks for themselves. The conduct is speaking for itself.
And
You
the
have to
Mumbai Police
understand that.
Commissioner,
And please see,
the Mumbai
please
Police
see.
Commissioner is speaking Riya Chakrabarti's language. Where have you ever heard of that? The Mumbai Police Commissioner is mirroring Riya's narrative. When have you ever heard of that? Why is the Mumbai Police
That's true.
Commissioner using the same words that the PR machinery of Riya Chakrabarti is using? Is there an attempt to mold Riya's image using PR? You realize how grave the accusations are. You do.
And Arnab, for 45 days in the inquest inquiry,
Mumbai Police.
they were only examining the angle of nepotism, of depression. They were calling
That-
directors
the
like
Mumbai
Sanjay
Commissioner
Leela
thought he could
Bhansali,
fool us.
asking for contracts with Sushant Singh Rajput.
That Mumbai Police
trying to
Commissioner
examine
thought
the
he's too
depression
clever by
angle.
half and was trying to derail the investigation. That's why he should quit.
He want to divert the investigation.
Absolutely.
They had a WhatsApp complaint in February. They had suspicious circumstances surrounding the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Still no progress was made in the inquiry. No efforts were made to lodge an FIR and commence an investigation as understood in a criminal case. Every attempt was made to
In an
show it
absence
as a
of
case of
closure,
depression.
how can you comment on the status of the inquiry?
Arey Baba, this
If they
inquiry
file a
cannot be
closure report,
relentless.
then please
This
draw your-
inquiry
Before 2 months
cannot
already
be
application
endless.
has been given
This
by his
inquiry-
father.
करके रखो.
This
There has
inquiry,
been no action has
it is
been taken by
unfortunate
Mumbai
that
police.
Patna
So
police
that is
viewers
the
have
reason
to come in.
we openly say.
Let me make a programming announcement. Let me make a programming announcement. I will be sharp with you tomorrow morning. Aniket, to all of us, very big day in news tomorrow. And I will be there sharp from morning onwards. We pray, we hope for CBI, for SSR. Our petition is live on republicworld.com. See you tomorrow morning. Till then, good night and goodbye.